Click the subscribe button, hit the bell icon to never miss another update.
Come inside. Welcome. Please sit. Put your baby down there and rest for a while. Go. Go.
He is hungry.
I don't have milk. He has rejected all the wet nurses that have come during the last few days. My tears are of maternal affection for the milk that he accepted. Why are you crying?
This breast of mine did not produce. But as soon as he started to suckle on it, it became full.
What's your name?
حليمة. حليمة السعدية.
From its sound you can tell it's pure gold. It will be the property of one who finds the child. A child who will be known by his blessings. He has a sign on his shoulder on the back.
Because of the heat, this city has a very dry climate. Mothers usually send their children to the wet nurses living near the city or to the desert.
Search in the city and its surroundings. Go. 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 Quickly. Quickly.
I know it is not easy to let Muhammad go.
I'm having a hard time separating from him. Is it not positive for the wet nurse to stay here instead of sending him?
She has a husband and other children. How can she stay?
If only you gave me permission to go with them.
It is of the best interest of you, and of Muhammad, that he goes alone. Why are you worried? This is our good fortune. I know this family well. We will visit him whenever we get the opportunity.
A 2-month-old Mohammed began his first journey. How surreal it was for us. But for Amna, it was unbearable and a source of great grief.
Open the door. To protect your children from devil and from evil spirits. Open.
Mother, let me see him. What's his name?
Welcome back. It was a difficult journey.
What is his name, Mother?
Muhammad.
Unload the camels. Hurry.
Sweetheart. Did you see?